Losing trades happen. Let's recover smartly using practical, risk-aware steps. First, pause and review your recent trades before making new decisions. Accept the loss emotionally and avoid revenge trading or impulsive doubling down. Check your numbers: risk per trade, win rate, and average return. Set a realistic short-term recovery target, for example, recouping 30% first. Adjust position sizes and reduce risk until your edge returns and confidence rebuilds. Tip 1. Tighten stop losses and trade smaller position sizes immediately. Tip 2. Focus on high-probability setups and wait for clear confirmations. Example trade: buy a call on confirmed uptrend, risk 1%, target 2%. Second example: short after a failed breakout with a defined stop and precise target. Track every trade in a simple journal and review weekly to refine your plan. Summary: stay disciplined, manage risk, and reclaim losses methodically. Try these steps now.